In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view the edit history on Google Keep. First and foremost, let's set the stage by heading over to Google's main suite of applications. These are your gateway to a range of powerful tools, including the very handy Google Keep. Now, once you're at your Google apps, the next step is to locate Google Keep among the array of applications. You'll usually find it alongside your other frequently used apps like Gmail and Drive. Google organizes these tools in a grid or list format, which should make navigating relatively straightforward. Once you've found Google Keep, a simple click will launch it. This will bring you to the familiar interface where you store all your notes and reminders. The design of Google Keep is inherently user-friendly, making it a breeze to work with on a daily basis. Now that we're in Google Keep, the next task is to identify the specific note where you'd like to view the edit history. Once you've opened the note, you should see 3 vertical dots, or the More option, typically located on the top right side of your screen. Clicking on More will unfurl a drop-down menu, and from there you'll want to click on Version History. This option provides an insightful view into all the changes that have been made to your note over time. It's a handy feature, especially when you need to track how your thoughts and ideas have evolved. The version history lets you see different time-stamped entries, which can be particularly useful if you need to reference or revert to a prior version. It's a great tool for maintaining accuracy and capturing the iterative process of note-taking. Next up is a step that ensures you have a lasting record of this information. After accessing the version history of your note, consider downloading this history for your records. You should see an option labeled Download, which allows you to save a local copy of your version history. A simple click will download the file to your device, allowing you to access it offline or to keep it as a backup. This extra step of downloading ensures you maintain complete access to your information, even beyond the cloud. And there you have it, a straightforward approach to accessing and preserving your edit history in Google Keep. This process not only empowers you to keep track of your note revisions, but also ensures